So let's start. Firstly, you need to finely chop or mince the onion, tomato and the green chilli. In a bowl, take the chopped onion, the tomatoes and the green chilies. Add little salt and mix it well. Take a mixer jar and add the grated coconut along with the green chilli. Break it into two and add it. Add little water. Cover the lid and make it into a smooth paste. Add a teaspoon of mustard seeds and grind it once again into a smooth fine paste. Add the ground paste to the onion tomato mixture. And mix it well. Add little water in the mixer jar and also add it to the mixture. Take the curd and beat it well using a spoon and add it to the mixture. Check the salt and add it if required. Make the tempering using mustard seeds, curry leaves and the dry red chilli and pour it on the top of the pachadi. Now Kerala style onion tomato pachadi is ready. This pachadi goes well with hot rice. If you like this recipe, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more recipes.